You're burning weeks on custom proposals and website redesigns just to have clients say no. The harder your offer is to explain, the harder it's going to be to sell. But an AI custom website redesign flips this entirely. Your prospect sees a brand new website with their logo on it, and they almost immediately say yes. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this entire thing from scratch, from building the AI website in minutes all the way to finding the right business, qualifying them, and then giving them this website so you can potentially collect recurring revenue for it. And the best part, I'm going to give you my entire system for free. So unlike the other YouTubers online that take forever to get to the point, I'm just going to get right to it. We're going to be vibe coding today using this prompt, and we're going to be rebuilding this website I found. As you see, I don't mean to pick on these guys, but this website definitely needs some TLC. So let's go in and let's redo this almost instantly. I'm just going to show you right away. Then from there, once I show you how we vibe coded the website, I'm also going to show you how to price this, but most importantly, how to go online, find leads, qualify them using AI so you're only going after the right people, and then reaching out to them. So let's just jump right in. If you guys have any questions at all during the video, drop them down below. So we're going to use this free prompt that I'm giving you. Okay, and don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly what this vibe coder is in a sec. First, I want to just go through the process to show you how easy this is, even if you're a complete beginner, as opposed to just yapping. So all we got to do is plug this prompt in, okay, which is just these words, copy and paste, take the URL right here of the business and just put it right in this homepage. Now, if it's a bigger business we want to redesign, we can fill out about URL, services URL, but to be honest, we can just put the homepage URL in, and all we're going to do is we're going to click enter. And this vibe coder with this prompt is going to rebuild this website in seconds. Check this out. Whoa, look at this. Holy moly in the holy. What the freak? Look at this. We took this website, used this prompt, and in seconds, this is what we got. Guys, you can't make this shit up. This is insane. It's got animations. It's got hover effects. This is beautiful. You're telling me that even if you gave this away for free, which we're getting the pricing in a sec, people wouldn't want this? You go from this to this? I mean, come on. Come on. Guys, and it was literally seconds. Seconds using this free prompt. Guys, like, I don't want to sound like a hype beast, and I'm just like, this is just so amazing, but this literally is. This is such an opportunity because so many business owners have bad websites. They don't even have SEO, and there's all these leads you can go after. This is amazing. I mean, this really is bordering on amazing. This kind of is amazing. So now that you understand this and you're like, yo, this is cool. I like this. This thing can build out everything. We now need to go over pricing and then reaching out to local businesses because that's going to be the next step because you now know how to do the work. This is how you do the work. You leverage AI. So now that we know how to do the work, we now need to move on to the next part, which is pricing. So this is what you can charge for this website because you can redesign it and then you can go, hey, we redid it. We redid the forms, SEO, et cetera, et cetera. Here it is for $1,500 one-time payment. Now you can absolutely go lower. You can go 500, 200, whatever you want. Or if you want, you can just give it for free and then upsell on AI agents, which I have a lot of videos on. If you have any questions, drop it down below. I can show you how to do that as well. But that can kind of be your other motive, which again, as I said here, you scratch this, you can charge up to $500 per month for AI agents. Again, none of this pricing is like you have to do this, but I've done this a long time and I've coached a lot of people, so I know exactly what is like kind of the sweet spots. And this is pretty good because you got to think quick math. If you're going to be charging businesses $500 per month, if you get 20 businesses, okay, and there's millions of businesses, tens of millions just in the US alone, if you get just 20 on $497 per month, just 20, that is about $10K per month. Do you see how powerful that is? That's $10K per month right there. So again, I'm not guaranteeing that's going to happen to you, but that's the power of properly having the right pricing and the right service where you can churn and burn and just keep executing. And that right here, you can do with the AI agents. But again, it all depends on your comfort of selling. Because I recommend people sell it for, $1,500. But again, if you are newer, sometimes it's better to give it for free because it's not hard. As you see, you just kind of click some stuff and the website was rebuilt just like I showed you in a sec. So it's not a lot of work for you, but it looks high value for them. So you can always do it that way too. So now that you understand the pricing and how to build this for clients, let's go into reaching out to clients to start this process so we can potentially make money with this. All right, so we're going to go to Google and all we're going to type in is a niche and then a location. So what we're going to do is we're going to do window tinting and we're just going to do, let's do new Orleans. So we're going to click that and we're going to get all these businesses. But here's the trick, because I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to qualify this. Guys, I don't make a lot of videos on this because this is new, but AI can actually qualify for this. This is going to blow you away. This is going to absolutely blow you away. So we're going to come up and click maps because we're going to need all of these to load so we can properly have AI qualify them. Before I show you this last part though, this is really important. If you guys are liking what you're watching and you want access to this prompt and all these other stuff that I'm talking about that I'm giving away for free, I have a special free community that you can join. And I'm telling you guys right now, you've never seen anything like this. So the software I'm using right here is called GoHighLevel. It's an AI powered software. Don't worry, there's not some long sales pitch where I'm going buy my course or, buy my expensive coaching. I don't have that. Okay. What I want to show you is something that no one else is doing. And that is very simple. HighLevel offers a 14-day free trial. Okay. Where you get access to the whole software for free for 14 days. But I talked to the team. Okay. And I said, hey, for my people, because I want them to try it risk-free, give me an extended 30-day free trial. So you can actually get a 30-day free trial plus a bunch of bonuses, which I'm about to show you, so that you can actually have a window of trying the software. Again, if you try this out and you're like, yo, this is amazing, I want to sell to local businesses, et cetera, and you try it for 30 days and you don't like it, I'm telling you to do this. That is how sure I am that this is amazing. If you really don't like it, you can cancel. But what I've done on top of that to try to help you out, because if I just say, here's the software, try it for free for 30 days, you might be screwed because you go, well, what the hell do I do now? Just watch videos? Well, no, I'm actually going to send you access to my private community once you sign up with your 30-day free trial, which has a bunch of winners, has every training you could possibly need on literally everything, but most importantly, 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free every week. So if you want to talk to me, the guy, the myth, the man, the legend behind the robes, right here on Monday, okay, we have help with getting clients. We have help with sales. We've how to get clients advanced. We have how to learn GoHighLevel. We have help with GoHighLevel. And we even have setting up GoHighLevel systems. And guys, all of this is free with the 30-day free trial right down below. You can even message me whenever you want in the right-hand corner. So if that's you, go check it out. And I'm telling you guys right now, there is nothing like this. I'm telling you, no one else has it. It is absolutely insane. It is free. And if you really don't like it after 30 days, cancel. Actually, you know what I'm going to do really fast? I can yap all day, so I'm actually not going to do that. I'm just going to show you because seeing is believing. This is what some of my students are saying about this free community.
Thanks to your help, Declan, and the partnership, I was able to sell 3 clients this month, one for $1,000 recurring, $1,500 recurring, and $2,500 recurring.
So I'm at about a solid 11, 12 clients right now.
I've made a lot of money. So probably well over $47,000.
It's amazing. Yeah. How much you got per month now? Close to.
So this month we're going to eclipse 50K.
Look at that. My God. So I have a ton more videos just like that of people saying, this is the best community ever. You can even just come in, go to wins and look at this wins column. And it's absolutely insane. I'm not guaranteeing you any results. I'm just saying this is the best community that I've been able to find. So if this interests you, go down below and try it risk-free. But let's get back to what we came here to do. So now that you understand how to build a website using this exact prompt, okay, you've built the website, you know how to price it. We now move into the last part, which is properly getting leads and reaching out to them. So what we can do is we can come right into Google and we can copy these leads. Again, we don't want to use any sketchy scraping tools. We want to copy these. Okay, so we have these exact leads just like this. So copy them. And we're going to use this other feature on GoHighLevel, okay, which is software. It's called Ask AI. And check this out. We're just going to paste this. And what this is going to do is this is going to organize all of the leads and then qualify them. So the old videos, people tell you, you got to go through and you got to click their website and you got to look and you got to do this and then you got to do that. And it's just this back and forth of you looking here, there, and it's just ridiculous and it takes forever. What we're going to do is we're just going to say, please give me only the websites that have a poor layout and very bad SEO ECT. And we're going to click enter. And what this is going to do, it's going to take all the businesses we copied, it's going to organize them and only give us the ones, okay, that have really poor SEO websites. Because again, guys, we're not trying to go through this manually. We're trying to sell to people that need a website redesign, as you see right here. That's the whole goal. We're not trying to go after people that have good websites. They're not going to buy. That's the point. We're going to go after the people, okay, that definitely don't have good websites. And this is one of the things a lot of these gurus on YouTube don't do is they just say, go on Google and start spamming people. We don't want to do that. First off, always follow compliance laws when you reach out. But second, we want to go after people that need our services. If people don't need your services, they're not going to buy. So watch what this does in seconds. It's going to organize all these and file them so we only have qualified leads. So boom, look at this. So these are all the websites that really need it. So this is perfect. It's got a lot of them that are struggling, which is awesome because we didn't even copy and paste all the results, but it also has businesses with no websites at all. So that's a whole other video I have, but that means you don't even need this. You can just redesign their website using the vibe coder that we've been using like this and just sell them a new website. So guys, tons of opportunity here. If you guys have any questions or you're like not quite sure what's going on, drop a comment down below. Your boy will answer, but like this is so critical. Like I don't think people realize kind of what is happening here because this is next level stuff. This is getting me really excited right now because this is so many different leads. Not only is this people that we can easily redesign, it's people that have websites either. Those are two different massively qualified lead groups. So now that you have this, we can plug these into the CRM. I have other videos on that. You just say plug in CRM and then you have them all in GoHighLevel. Nice and organized in a pipeline. But before we even do that, you can just find the ones you want, copy and paste their websites, and then do what we just did before. Use the vibe coder with this prompt, redesign their website, and then reach out to them. Okay, so we're gonna go on Google and we're gonna do this and then reach out to them. Okay, and the ways we reach out very simply are whatever contact info we have, we hit it. So if they have a phone number, call them, cold call, walk in, send them a piece of mail, email them. We do all of that. And again, I have so many videos on all of this. Just let me know and I'll show you. But we're going to go through that entire process to just start bringing these leads in. And from there, that's all you have to do. You just have to reach out. And if you're like, well, I want to know more about reaching out, just drop a comment down below and I'll send a tutorial on 25 different ways to do this, which it's like an 11-hour video. It goes over everything in depth. Like I don't gatekeep anything, guys. It's all on my YouTube. I just give it away for free. You just have to be willing to take action. So that's the process. I showed you everything. You just have to go now and take action. That's what you need to do now. That is your job. None of this matters unless you take action. So please go and take action. You know what to do. Take this stuff, hammer, drill, commit, get inside my private community and just take action. You have the leads. You know how to get them. You know how to redesign people's websites. Your goal now is to prospect. That is your goal. Actually, in a matter of fact, I'm going to link a video at the end of this video. It's going to be 25 different ways to prospect. I'm just going to do that because this just needs to happen because you might be confused, but like this is just going to show you how to reach out. But from there, you just got to keep doing this again and again and again to get the recurring money. It's what you're going to have to do. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, drop in the comments down below. If you love the video, you hate the video, I don't care. Just let me know and we'll have a talk. If you want to get into the community and you want not the 14-day, but the 30-day free trial with all the winners, go right down below, sign up for that. There's actually a promo running right at this video, but it might not be at the time of this video. So if you see that, click it. But grab it down below and get inside the community. You'll get emailed access. If you don't, just drop a comment and I'll make sure you get in. But you know exactly what to do. So just crush it. That's really all you got to do. So thank you guys for watching and really make sure you watch the video that's about to pop up because this is going to show you 25 in-depth ways to find more clients. So thank you guys for watching and watch the video that pops up right now.